Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We're on question 5.4 from the 2017 IEB Maths Lit Paper 1, and this question deals with calculating annual income. So it says the majority of farmers in West Africa, according to We Farm Africa, earn an average income of $3 a day. It says then determine the annual income if a farmer works 5 days a week and 4 weeks a month every month. So for 5.4, they want us to calculate the annual income. So we know that the annual income is your daily pay. So daily income multiplied by the days in a week multiplied by the weeks in a month that they've specified, and then finally by the amount of months in a year. So therefore our annual income is equal to, they said it was $3 a day, and they said that there are 5 days in a week, and then they also said that there are 4 weeks in a month, and what is the standard is that there are 12 months in a year. So putting this all into your calculator, so 3 times 5 times 4 times 12, we see that their annual income is in dollars 720. That's a quick short question. So before I go, I'd just like to give a special thanks to our epic sponsors for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorials. Remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, send us your question and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.